Oh, Melly getting down now. Look at this pose. Yeah. She's doing the arm, the gelatiny arm. Gelatinous.
Go Carmela.
Go Melly.
Go Carmela.
Go Melly.
Go Carmela.
Go Melly.
Go Carmela.
Go Carmela. Go Melly. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Getting down, kiddo.
Stop.
It's all right. Oh. Back up a little. There you go. Come on, give us some of your good moves, man. There you go. Get down. Woo!
3, 2, 1. Breaking it down. Touch the ground. We got joy.
What the heck?
Remember that? Let's make some noise. Feel like.
So loud.
It's you and I. Say la 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 la.
Why are you going crazy?
Make some noise.
Oh. Melly, what do you call it? Do the... What is it called? What's that called, Melly? Alright, now do the floss. Come on, do the floss, man. No? Okay, fine. Look at these moves, kid. Good job. Yeah, Melly. And that footwork.